Hello my dear students of class 6. I am your maths teacher Miss Nazia Altaf. Today our topic is addition and subtraction part 2. Subtraction. We always start subtraction from ones. As I explained earlier about addition, that we start addition from ones or from right side. In the same way we start subtraction from the right side or from ones place. As you can see in the picture, 6 minus 6 is 0, that is the subtraction, and we start from that side, that is ones place value. Here is a place value chart up to 8 digits. Numbers are not written over here, but the place values are written over here. We will start from right side, ones, tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, then 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. You know all about this. This is a place value chart. Okay my dear students, we have an activity which I have taken from page number 8. Fill the missing digits in the following. There are two activities. Activity number 1, fill the missing digits in the following. You can see there are 6-digit value. Look at the screen. 6-digit value. How will you read it? You can read it as 585,463, and in the lower value there are two circles, means there are two numbers which are missing, but the answer is given over here. What is the answer? 234,000 and 251. So look at this sign. This is minus sign or subtraction sign. You have to subtract the values and then you get this answer. Now my dear students, you have to find out what comes in this circle. What comes in this circle? So first of all, look at the solved part of the sum. Look at the solved part of the sum. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2, 5. Then 4 circle, here is 2. So work in your mind and find out, calculate what comes over here. 5 minus 1, we get 4. Then 8 minus circle, a blank circle, we get 3. So what comes here? 5 minus 3, we get 2. Take a copy or paper, write down the sum, copy from here and then solve it. After that I will show you my answers and you can match your answer with mine. Activity number 2, fill the missing digits in the following. Look, in this activity there are 4 circles. So as you know that we are doing subtraction over here, so we will start from this side, that is the right side or ones place side. In this example we also started from the right side from ones place value. So we will all start from ones place value. What comes over here? We don't know what comes over here. This is a circle, and from a circle we subtract 2 and we get 3. Then you can easily find what comes over here, which number will come over here. 6 minus 1, we get 5. 8 minus blank circle, we get 4. I know my intelligent students are doing this. You all can do this activity. This is very easy. Circle minus 1, we get 2. 4 minus circle, we get 4. 7 minus 3 we get 4. Okay, I hope you all have written your answers, you all have completed. So I am showing you my answers. You can match yours with mine. Okay, my dear students, you can see over here 4 minus 2 we get 2, 8 minus 5 we get 3. You can match your answer with mine. 5 minus 2 we get 3, 8 minus 4 we get 4, 3 minus 1 we get 2, and 4 minus 0 we get 4. I hope all of you have done it correctly. Okay, in your book subtraction exercise is exercise number 1.3, and I took these two sums from page number 8 from the exercise 1.3. Solve these two sums. Look at this. When you write any value, first of all you can make a chart, place value chart, so that it would be easy for you to write the numbers according to the chart or according to their place value. So here is a chart: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions. Do you know which one is this? This is an international place value chart, because in international place value chart we get 100,000 and millions, but in Pakistani place value chart we just get the lakhs and crores. Okay, my dear students, look at this. Write the numbers from this side. Ones place value 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 2, 8. Now read it. 2,863,000 and 132. Again, 2,863,000 and 132. Now the second value is of just 6-digit value, so you cannot start from here. You don't have to write 1 at this place. You cannot write from this side. You will always start from 1's place. Start from this side, write the last value over here, then you can go further. Last value is 0, that would be below 1's place, then 10's place value, then 100 place value, then 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, and then 100,000 place value, and there is no millions value. Okay, now read it. 163,000 and 350. In the same way, in the second sum these are also place value chart. This is also place value chart, and it is also an international place value chart. 7-digit values are there. You can write 7 digits value in the same way, starting from this side, 1's place value, right side 4, 8, 6, 5, 9, 3, 4. Once you write it, then you read from this side. 4,395,000 and 684. In the same way, you will write from this side and read from this side. Okay, now start writing from this side in your copy. 6, 3, 7, 8, 4, 3 and 2. Okay, now start from this, reading from this side. 2,348,000 and 736. Okay, you can solve these sums in your copy, then I'll show you the answers and you can match your answers with mine. If you are slow in writing, then pause the video and first solve the sums and then check the answers. Okay, my dear students, now I am showing you the answers. You can match it with yours. Yes, here you can see. Match your answers. If they are correct, then well and good. If you are having any mistake or any number which is not matching with it, I'll explain. Okay, my dear students, let's start. We have written this value, and then below value we have to subtract it from the upper value. First of all, we will start from this side, ones place value. Always start from ones place value. 2 minus 0, 2 is a bigger value, 0 is a smaller value, so it can be subtracted easily. 2 minus 0 is 2. Here is 3 and here is 5. The upper value is smaller and the lower value is bigger one, so we cannot subtract it from 3 to 5. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take carry or borrow. We have to borrow 1 from here, from the next value. We will take a borrow from here and it will become 13, because we are taking borrow from the next value, and when we get borrow from next value, it will add 10 place values or into the previous one. So this is ones place value, and when we get 1 from here, it becomes 2-digit value, tens value. So 1 and 3 become 13. Now 13 minus 5, we get 8. Okay, when we get 1 from here, which number will be left over here? That is 0. So this is 0. Now this is 0. 0 minus 3, again subtraction is not possible. We get borrow from the next value in the same way as I explained in the previous thing, that we get borrow from here and it will make it tens place value, so it will become 1 and 0 make it 10. 10 minus 3, we get 7. When we get borrow from here, then 3 will be changed into 2, and 2 minus 4, subtraction is not possible. Again we get borrow from the next value, it will become 12. 12 minus 4, we get 8. In the same way, this is 6, and when we get borrow from here and we gave that borrow to the 2, then it will become 5. So we get borrow from here, because 5 minus 6 is not possible, we will make it 15. 15 minus 6 is possible, we get 9. In the same way, next there is 8, and when we get borrow from 8 and we give it to 5 and it will become 15, then we find that here there is just 7 remaining. So 7 minus 1, we get 6, and 2 will remain same. We did not get any borrow from here, that's why it is same. There is no value below 2, so 2 will remain same. In this sum, 4 minus 6 not possible, so we get borrow from 8 and 8 will become 7. We give it to 4, it will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 3 is possible, so we will not get any borrow from the next value. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Here is 6. 6 minus 9 not possible. We get borrow from 5, it will become 16. 16 minus 7, we get 9. Here is, if we get borrow from here, then 5 will change into 4, because we are taking borrow, that means we are subtracting 1 from that value, so it means it will become 4. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible, so for 4 we get borrow from 9, and 9 will be changed into 8, and this will be 14. 14 minus 8, we get 6. Now here is 8. 8 minus 4 is possible, so we can subtract it from here. We get 4. Then 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. You can match your answers with mine. Subtraction, page number 7 in your book. Example number 1. when two values are written like this, they are not written in the vertical form, subtract 430 thousands and 912 from 871 thousands and 32. My dear students, remember this thing: when you write subtract this value from that value, always write the value that comes after from. The value that comes after from, it should be the upper value, and the value which is written first, subtract this value, it should be the lower value. So write the values according to their place values. That's why I asked you to make a place value chart, so that when you do practice of this place value chart, if you have done a practice well, then it would be easy for you to write the sums in this without place value chart. So first you have to practice it with the place value chart. So make a place value chart, that is quite easy. Write the place values 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then write the numbers below these place value chart. It is quite easy to write the values according to the place values, so that we do not have any type of mistake in our sum. Okay, now first you have written this, then second value. Now subtraction is quite easy. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, here is 0, 0 minus 9, not possible. So what we have to do, we will take a borrow from the next value, and the next value is 1. We get borrow from here, and it will make this 0 10. 1 and 0 10. 10 minus 9 we get 1, and here 0 is left, so 0 minus 0 is possible. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 8 minus 4 is 4. In the second example, again 6-digit values are there. You have to write a place value chart, put the values according to the place values, then subtract from the first. You have to write this value because this is coming after from, and then write this value below. Okay, 3 minus 7 is not possible. We get borrow from the next value. 1 and 3 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Then here is first, here was it was 4, and then we get borrow from here, it becomes 3. 3 minus 8 is not possible. We get borrow from the next value, and that is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then here 7 is left. 7 minus 5, it's 2. Then 7 minus 3 we get 4. 0 minus 7 is not possible, so we get 1 from this value, so it will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, and why 0 is over here? Because we get 1 from 3 and we gave it to 0, then here it will be 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I hope you understood it very well. Here is a word problem on subtraction from page number 15. This sum is taken from exercise number 1.6. They are the word problems. Now, according to census report 1998, there were 2,380,463 females and 1,511,021 males in Hyderabad. How many females are more than males? As you can see here, this is the number of females and this is the number of males. Okay, you can see over here that females are more than males because it is starting from 2 millions and it is starting from 1 million, so it means females are more than males. How many? females are more than males. So what we have to do, this is a subtraction problem. We have to subtract that how many females are more than males. So number of females, write the number of females first according to the place value. Remember this, again and again asking you to write the numbers according to the place value. If place value chart is not drawn over here, you can draw yourself in your copy. So first, as you can see, this is a word problem, so we always write the word problems in the words number of females. First we will write number of females. How many number of females are there? Write the value. Then number of males, write the number of males in front of this line. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the difference. So we will solve this. 3 minus 1 we get 2, 6 minus 2 we get 4, 4 minus 0 we get 4. Then here is 0, 0 minus 1 is not possible, we get borrow from 8 and it will make it 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Now this is 7 because we take borrow from here, so it 7 left over here. 7 minus 1 we get 6. Again there is 3, 3 minus 5 is not possible, so we get borrow from 2 and it will make it 13. 13 minus 5 we get 8 and here 1 is left, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the value, this is the difference. You have found the difference. Now hence the difference is this. So what is this actually? This is the number of females which are more than males. So you can see how many females are more than males, that is 869,442 females. Okay my dear students, here is homework for you. Exercise number 1.2, page number 6. I think there is a mistake. Exercise number 1.3, page number 6. Solve exercise number solve the question 3 and 6 from part A and 3 and 6 from part B, and exercise 1.6, page number 16, question number 2 and question number 8. So you have to do this homework on Fullscape sheet and you have to submit it in the office at 9 to 11 a.m. every Saturday. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe. See you again.